All right, let's talk about your most accurate forecast now. Here, as you're starting out the day, a difference when you step outside. It's not going to be as mild as it was yesterday. Not that we're cold by any means, but nice and cool as temperatures are actually running about 8 degrees cooler right now at Phoenix Sky Harbor and several degrees cooler in comparison to yesterday at this time across several of our valley cities. We're sitting at 64 right now in Deer Valley, 62 in Apache Junction and in Chandler and in Gilbert. It's 61 in Laveen and in Peoria, and we're even down into the 50s in spots like Surprise and Buckeye. So a little cooler as you step out, and that has to do a lot with those winds. They're lighter this morning, so that allows our temperatures to cool off a little further. We've got less cloud cover too, all that coming together to give us those cooler temperatures. Right now, those winds between about 5 and 10 miles an hour across the Phoenix metro, and as you look across the state with me, those winds pretty light, especially when you consider how strong they got yesterday. I told you we had wind gusts here in the valley, even at Sky Harbor, near 40 miles an hour yesterday afternoon. So this morning, much lighter, and those winds continuing to back off as we track that storm system that brought the winds. It's pushing further away from our state. Now, that's not to say we're completely done with the winds just yet. We are, though, getting some drier air in here, and you'll notice that dew point change, just a big drop, meaning that we're getting some of that drier air in here, pushing out some of that moisture. We will still feel some lingering breezes today, and over the course of the next few days, we've got another round of strong winds coming as we track another disturbance that's going to set up to our north. That is going to bring some gusty winds back by the end of the week, and not much in terms of moisture or rain chances. Slight chance of a shower in northeast Arizona, also slight chance in Flagstaff by the end of the week, but the Phoenix metro staying dry, and again, we're going to be tracking stronger winds. So today, those winds will be out of the west this afternoon between about 5 and 15 miles an hour, with gusts occasionally near 20 miles an hour. Not that strong, some breezes. Tomorrow, those winds get a little stronger, gusting to 25 miles an hour. By Friday, it is going to be windy again, likely dusty again too, as we potentially are tracking some wind gusts as high as 40 miles an hour for our Friday. Winds will then start to back off as cooler air moves in by the weekend. So that's going to be critical for the firefight. Today, those breezes kicking up this afternoon in that Cactus Fire area to between 20 and 30 miles an hour. But as we go into the end of the week, we're likely to get those even stronger winds. And so hopefully those firefighters can get a bit of a handle on that fire before the stronger winds return. 90 today, but down into the low 80s Saturday. I'm tracking your hour-by-hour temperature planner in minutes.